We all know that subtitles help viewers to better understand your videos and to keep viewers engaging. And in today's video, guys, I want to share with you 3 AI tools that you can use to generate and to create subtitles for your videos. If this sounds fascinating to you, give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe to see much more videos coming out every single week just like this one. Now let's head over to my screen so that I can show you these 3 AI tools. Let's go. Alright guys, so the first tool that I want to share with you is from this website called Abraia.me. And this website is a full-blown editor and consists of a whole lot of tools, as you can see under tools here. Now to create your subtitles, you want to choose this option here that says transcribe your videos. Then you want to go ahead and click auto transcribe. And if you're new to this website, once you click auto transcribe, you will be prompted to log in with your Gmail. And you will get 200 credits for free, and that's about 4 videos, right? So now I'm inside. I'm gonna go ahead and choose my video. As you can see that the video must be up to 1 gig in terms of the file size, but my file is very small. So I'm gonna just drag my video right here, and this is a video of myself which I'm currently working on, and you can see that my video is now uploaded. And now in order to generate the subtitles, you want to click on the right hand side here where it says subtitles. You want to go ahead and click that, and here it says auto subtitles. So go ahead and click the auto subtitles, and it will take a moment to generate those subtitles from the video. Now you can see that my subtitles are generated, and if I go ahead and click on this, you can see the subtitles here. Now once you click on the subtitles on the timeline here, you can go ahead and you can choose whatever styling you want, right? And this is over on the right hand side under text. Now in this case, I'm gonna just select something pretty easy, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and choose the sticker option, right? And you can also play around with the sizing. You can also play around with the colors. It's totally up to you. And once you're finished, guys, you can go ahead and you can simply export your video. Now let me go ahead and export this video. And I will go ahead and click, leave it as MP4. You can choose whatever format you want, MOV, MP4, right? And then you want to go ahead and export the video. And once the video is done, you can go ahead and click this download button beside the video, and this will download your video. Here you can see my video is downloaded. Now I'm going to go ahead and play this video so that you can see the subtitles. Guys, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to share, and that's it guys. And this is the first AI tool that you can use to generate subtitles for your videos, right? And the second option is by using a website by the name of Caption.ai, right? Once you're there to this website, all you have to do is go ahead and upload a video. So I'm gonna go ahead and drag my video right here, and this will upload my video. And once the video is done, and once the video is uploaded, you can just simply go ahead and choose whatever language you want here. I'm gonna leave it with the basic default English. And then I'm gonna just click add caption, and this will allow the AI to generate the subtitles for me. And this is usually done within seconds, guys. Now as you can see, it's already at 50%, and now it is done. Now you can always go ahead and make some changes to the subtitles as you want, the position and also the size. And here you can also choose whether you want it to be default, or you can go ahead and change the style here. And that's a very nice option, guys. I really like this one as well, Caption.ai. Now once you're satisfied, you just want to go ahead and click download video, and this will download the video for you. And this particular style of caption, it is very nice and unique for YouTube Shorts or Instagram or TikTok videos. This is very good. This is a very good option for this. Now once you're done, you will notice that it mentioned here that you can sign in to your Gmail. You can always do that, or you can continue with your Apple. I'm gonna just go ahead and choose Gmail here, select my Gmail account, and then you realize that you can now download the video. So I'm gonna download my video, and here you can see the video that it has now created for me. Now I'm gonna go ahead and play it so that you can see it. Guys, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm gonna share, and that's it guys, very easy and very nice. And guys, now the third option that I'm gonna share with you is by using a free tool as well, by CapCut. I'm gonna go through this step by step and show you what's the power within CapCut and how to use CapCut to generate subtitles for your videos, right? Now, as you can see, I'm in CapCut here, guys. And I want to mention, if you don't have CapCut already, I'm gonna share within the description of this video the 2 AI websites that I just shared with you, and also the link to the CapCut website, so that you can download CapCut for PC, or you can always use the CapCut online. Now, in this tutorial, I'm showing you how to use the CapCut app for PC, right? all you have to do is drag your video into the timeline, or you can always drag and import your video right under media here, right? Now I have my video on the timeline, guys, and if I play it, you saw there that there is no caption, right? Or there is no subtitles. Now to get the subtitles or to generate the subtitles in CapCut, all you have to do is select text here, and then here you see auto caption. Now you want to make sure that you select the language. I'm going to leave mine in English, and then I'm going to create. This will take a couple of seconds to generate those subtitles, and here you can see that my subtitles are generated, and it's just the basic default styling. Now to style your caption is very easy. On the right hand side here you see text. You can go ahead and you can click into the fonts, and you can select whichever fonts that you want. You can also go ahead and you can choose on the different styles here. You can choose some of the preset styles, and I'm going to choose this one for example. And as well, you can always play around with various different templates. You can play around with various different bundles how you want as well. You can also play around with the effects, and you can always play around with some of those animations, right? Now I'm going to choose this animation. And just a point to note, if you're using CapCut and you see the download option here, this simply means that you need to download it in order to use it. Right now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to simply click download, and within seconds it is downloaded, and I just simply click on it and it's there, right? And as you can see here that it is applied to each and every one of them. Now let me go back to text here, and let me go back to the basic and show you that you can always play around with more colors if you want to. You can always play around with the size as well if you want to. It's totally up to you. And if you would like to also change it to like uppercase, lowercase, the position, you can always do all of that within CapCut. So you just need to go through it and basically play around with it. I'm going to set my note to uppercase and leave it for that in the meantime. Now, once you're done, all you have to do is go ahead and download it. But in this case, I'm going to just simply play it so that you can see what it looks like.
Guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share...
And that's it, guys. And you can play around with a lot more things within CapCut. The possibilities of using CapCut is really endless, and you can do quite a lot. Now I want to show you one more thing. There are different subtitles, guys. Now, and if you would like to style, for example, each word, it's pretty easy. All you have to do when you're applying those styles to your video, when you're applying those styles to the subtitle, you just want to ensure that this apply to all is not selected, and that's all. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to choose that, and I'm going to just select one of those subtitles, for example the first one, and I am going to ensure, and I am going to change that, right? So I'm going to go ahead and choose, like for example, a different text, and once I select the different text there, I am just going to simply go ahead and choose like a different style. So let me go ahead and choose this for example, and then I am going to a little bit play around with the sizing, right? So let's say I make the sizing around that, for example, right? Now, I think it's a bit too big, right? Yeah, definitely. So I'm going to go ahead and just reduce this a little bit smaller, like this. It's just for the purpose of the tutorial, right? Now, let me go ahead and play it and show you what I mean.
Guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share...
And there you have it. See, so I have a different style here, a different style here, and a different style here. And that's all there is to it. Now, once you're finished, guys, all you have to do is just simply go ahead and click export. You just need to go ahead and select your resolution, select your frame rate, whichever you want. You want to select your format if you want MP4 or MOV, and then you just want to simply click export. And that's it, guys. That's literally how easy it is to create subtitles for your videos. Now, I really hope that you found those 3 options very useful, and that you can start using them to generate subtitles for your videos. And if you're looking for a way how to generate subtitles for free, guaranteed, CapCut is my favorite, guys, because it is free and it's unlimited, and you can use it to do multiple different things, and it gives you a lot of flexibilities. So if you're looking to generate your subtitles for videos, these 3 options can be very good for you to choose. But I want to recommend CapCut just for the sake that it's free and you can do a lot more with it because it gives you a lot of flexibilities. Now guys, if you found some value in this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe to see much more videos coming out every single week, just like this one. See you in the next one.